Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, in this part 22 we'll continue our first chapter accounting for partnership firm fundamental. In this class we'll continue our next topic, interest on monthly drawing. When the partner withdraw the amount from the firm at on the base on monthly drawing, monthly basis. So there are three concepts here. First is when drawing are made in the beginning of each month. So student, first is here when the drawing are made beginning of each month. Here we will calculate over the 6.5 month. It is a charge for the calculation of monthly drawing. When the question is given, when the drawing are made in the beginning of each month, it is a 6.5 month. You will learn and you will see the format how we can calculate a 6.5 month. Then average period formula is there. Is a concept. Average period is equal to when time left after first drawing, plus time left after last drawing, divided by average period 2. Formula is average period is equal to time left after first drawing plus time left after last drawing divided by 2. So see it, time left after first drawing, we are assuming here financial year is 1st Jan to 31st December. If the partner are withdrawing on 1st Jan, so mention is here time left after first drawing. If the partner is withdrawn on 1st Jan, then total months is remain 1st Jan to 31st December is 12 months is remain. 12 months is remain plus time left after last drawing. The partner are withdraw the amount at the beginning of each month. So beginning of each month, last drawing they withdrawn on 1st December and total months is remain 1 month. 1st December to 31st December. 1 month will be remain divided by formula average period is divided by 2. 12 1 13 divided by 2 6.5 months. A drawing will be equal to 6.5 month. Understood this thing? Okay, see one more example for a more explanation. See it is a year and the month is Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So if the partner are withdrawing on the 1st Jan, beginning of each month, 1st Jan. So total months is remain 1st Jan to 31st December, 12 months. is the first drawing. Is the end last drawing, time left after last drawing. Last drawing they will withdraw on the beginning of each month. Beginning of each month, 1st December to 31st December. Total months is remain is called 1 month. 1 month. Understood? The next point. In the case of drawing, when drawing are made in the end of each month, made at end of each month, end of each month. So see, same formula we will apply here. End of each month, it means January at the last end of each month. So January on 31st January. Total months is remain 31st January to means 1st Feb to 31st December. Total months is remain 11 months will be remain. 11 months and plus time left after last drawing, they are withdrawn on end of each month. So end on 31st December. End of each month we are hearing a concept 31st December. End of each month and 30th December. Total months is remain 0 month. 0 month divided by 2 is equal to 5.5 month. Understood? See next point. If the partner are withdrawing at the end is completed at the middle of each month. Middle of each month. Same formula we will use here. See the board. Time left after first drawing. The partner are withdrawn middle. Middle it means 15 Jan. Middle of each month 15 Jan. 15 Jan to 31st December. Total months is 15 days of Jan and 11 months of Feb to December. 11.5 months plus time left after last drawing. Last drawing means 15 December they will withdraw on the second time. Middle 15 December. Time left after last drawing, it means 15 days or a half month. So here we will write 0.5 month divided by 2. 11.5, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. So it is a concept for the drawing of a when drawing are given on the monthly basis. So if the drawing are made in the beginning of each month, then we will charge 6.5 months. If drawing are made at the end of each month, then we will charge a 5.5 months. If drawing are made on the middle of each month, then the drawing will be equal on the 6 months. So it was the concept of the drawing. Next class we will continue when drawing are made on the quarter basis. Okay, thank you students.
Do self-study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.